All right. Hello, everyone. My name is Guy, and welcome to my video. Now, I just saw another YouTuber do this, and I thought it was really cool. So I wanted to make a quick video just to compile a list of potential ways I could study languages. So first, this is my first time trying to use ChatGPT to learn languages. So basically, you have a prompt like this. You write about who you are, your interest, or your work, and then you're gonna ask ChatGPT. So here's mine right here. You can just read that. So then you ask ChatGPT to ask me questions about my interests, mm, my studies, or something like that. And uh, for example, in a A2, yes, sorry, it's Chinese, A2 level, and ask 50 questions, format like this. So I'm learning Japanese, but I'm also reviewing French and just have English, just in case. So uh, make a list and no categories, just a straight up list. So let's see. So how are you today? I'm doing well. Okay, so pretty cool. Quel pays, I don't even know if there really is one here. Quel pays étudies-tu le plus? Pourquoi, pourquoi étudies-tu les relations internationales? Que sais-tu sur le Japon? Using a lot of inversion. I heard that French people don't really use inversion, but whatever. So yeah, it's pretty interesting. And then you can let's do a B2 level. So right, this is much harder. I couldn't answer it that in Japanese, but I can kind of in French. Que penses-tu de l'impact de l'essor de la Chine sur l'ordre mondial? See, these are all new words for me, but I can't understand it. That's cool. Like these are all great questions, to be honest. Now, I wonder, can you ask it like native speaker? I don't know if this changes anything. But what kind of question is this? How can one become a global citizen? Comment peut-on devenir un citoyen du monde? What I don't know what that means in English. But yeah, these are pretty good questions. So, okay. Anyway, you get my point. Pretty cool, right? All right. Well, that's all I wanted to share, really. But let's see the C1. Let's do C1 questions and C2 questions. 10 each. And I'm not sure if the Japanese is natural, but yeah, these are really great questions for someone to practice with which to practice. But like this one's pretty, native speaker level, high level. like college level. Like this is the kind of question that I'd be answering in my class. Yeah, it's a great. Les théories des relations internationales intègrent-elles assez les perspectives non occidentales? Okay, okay, I don't mean. Yeah, so thanks for watching and see ya. Bye bye.